If you need to go back in Lucidchart, whether that means undoing a mistake, restoring a previous step, or just reversing your last action, you're in the right place. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you the fastest ways to go back in Lucidchart using keyboard shortcuts and the on-screen undo button, so you can fix changes in seconds without losing your progress. And if this video helps you out, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software tutorials just like this. Now let's jump in. The first and fastest method is using a keyboard shortcut. Before you do anything else, make sure your Lucidchart editor is active. The easiest way to do that is to click anywhere on your diagram canvas. Once the editor is selected, you can undo your most recent action right away. On Windows, press Ctrl plus Z. On Mac, press Command plus Z. This is the standard undo command, and it works great if you just moved a shape, deleted text, changed the connector, or made any other recent edit you want to reverse. If you keep pressing the shortcut, Lucidchart will continue stepping backward through your recent actions one by one. That makes it very useful when you need to go back several steps instead of just one. Now, if you go back too far and realize you actually want to bring something back, there's a redo option too. On Windows, you can use Ctrl plus Y. On Mac, use Shift plus Command plus Z. This will redo the action you just undid and move you forward again. So think of it this way. Undo takes you back and redo takes you forward. That's a really helpful workflow when you're experimenting with diagram layouts or making quick edits and want to compare versions. The second method is using the undo button directly in the Lucidchart interface. If you prefer clicking instead of using shortcuts, look at the top left corner of the editor. You should see the undo arrow icon there. Click that icon once to reverse your last action. This is especially useful if you're not sure about keyboard shortcuts or if you just want a visual way to go back step by step. Just like the shortcut method, you can click the undo button multiple times if you need to reverse more than one action. This is a simple but powerful way to recover from mistakes without starting over. A good tip is to always pause for a second before making big edits, especially if you're moving multiple shapes, changing formatting, or deleting sections of a diagram. That way, if something goes wrong, you already know how to go back quickly. And remember, if you accidentally undo too much, you can still redo it using the redo shortcut, so don't worry about experimenting. Lucidchart gives you an easy safety net. If you found this tutorial useful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more step-by-step software guides. Thanks for watching, and now you know exactly how to go back in Lucidchart the fast and easy way.